Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This 1500 is in black and it looks very nice. You do got the chrome accents up front with the chrome bumper as well. It does come with a pair of halogen quad headlights right there, and they are incredibly bright, as well as you got the fog lights just down there. Coming over to the tires here, we do have a pair of 17-inch rims, and they do come with the hand-cooked tires, and there's a ton of tread left on those guys. Still a lot of room. They will be getting you where you need to be going. Now over to the mirrors here. They are in the matte black and they are heated as well. They'll help you get going a little bit quicker in the mornings. You do got the Ram logo there and the Hemi logo as well. Around back here we do have a 5-foot box. We do have the 4x4 logo and the Ram logo there. There's a bit of snow back here, but it is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and you can haul a lot of stuff back here as well. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's jump on in. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button just up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there, as well as a bit of storage here and a bit more right down here. You do got the controls over your lights here, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control there. And this guy is the control over your high beams, your turning signals, and your windshield wipers. Okay, on the inside now, so key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. You can change that guy in the middle from your speedometer to your vehicle info, your fuel economy. You got your trip A and B. You do also have your messages, your screen setup, your settings, and you can turn the menu off if you did want. You also have the temperature outside and how many kilometers it has. Only 40,000, that's not very much at all. You can control that all from right here, right from your steering wheel, as well as you got your horn in the middle and your cruise control options. This guy is your gear shift, so you just push your foot on the brake, pull it back and down or up. And then you do have your controls over your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, and your 2-wheel right there. And then coming over to your radio here, you do have your FM and AM as well as Sirius XM. You got your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB or through an aux cord. Your presets down here, your info, your ABC, as well as you got your volume up and down, your off button, your skip, all those guys there. You also have your audio, your menu, and your back, and then your browser right there. These guys are your climate controls, so you do have your hazard lights up there, and then your power up and down. You push in for your circulation, push in for your AC, as well as the heat up and down. Then you also have your defrost and all that there. And then this guy is your traction control and your tow and haul mode. This guy does open up, and you do have some storage in there. And you do got a plug-in right here, and another one right over here. In the center here, you do have your armrest, which doubles as a storage container. Got some coin holders here, and then you also have a USB plug-in and an aux cord plug-in, as well as a 12-volt plug-in. Then you can open this guy up, and you do have another seat under here, so it does seat 6 people all together. Up top, you do have a glove box, and underneath you do have another one with your owner's manual in it. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now they do have control over their own windows, of course. Little handle here, a little bit of storage down here. Is a lot of legroom back here. It is also very soft and squishy. It'll be very nice on long car trips. You can also lift this guy up, and you do got some storage under there, and you do have your cup holders right over there. You can put stuff under here and put this back down, and then it won't be in the way. You also got a bit of storage under here. I know that some people put tie downs in there or whatever else you might need in there. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.